Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to convert a YouTube video to MP3 using just your iPhone. Now let's get started. First, make sure you have the YouTube Studio app installed on your iPhone. Tap on the Content tab at the bottom to see your uploaded videos. Select the video you want to convert, then tap the three dots, then tap Save to Device. This will download the video to your Photos app under Videos. Now, open the Files app on your iPhone. Navigate to the location where your video is saved. If needed, move it from Photos to Files first using the Share Save Files option. So in my case, I already have here the video. Once it's in the Files app, tap and hold the video file and select Rename. Here's the trick. Delete MP4 from the file name and replace it with MP3. And now you've successfully converted your YouTube video into an MP3 file using only your iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.